Welcome back to Gonzo Builds. In this video we're going to make an optical illusion Lazy Susan using epoxy resin and the CNC. This cut time took about 45 minutes. Here I'm taping off the grooves that I don't want resin to go in. I always recommend making yourself a mixing stick that fits in a drill. It'll make the process a lot easier. For this I'm going to use a mixture of blue, gold and an interference blue. Remember to like and subscribe, it always helps. Once the resin's cured, I'm going to run it through the bandsaw following the guideline that I made using the CNC. I'm using a flush trim router bit to clean up the edges and make that groove a little bit cleaner after the bandsaw. Off camera I cut some plywood circles using the CNC to make the base of the Lazy Susan. The lovely colour and swirls in the resin stands out a lot more when out in the sun. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.